Are we saying hi?
Yeah.
Are we?
So,
My
no,
good. Misty. Hi, Thomas.
Come on, Misty. Pose for a picture.
hey, now wait a minute. You don't get tied up.
Hey.
Typical abs.
Are you guys going to have to wrestle a little?
I guess she slipped her, even that color, she slipped her once.
Here, come here.
Oh, the orange one?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Well, he could too, but she
Look at
slipped
you.
out of this one.
Oh, you're going to play with the big dogs.
I think they're out of your league.
Come on.
Thomas. Thomas. You're not the tank engine. Come on, you gotta go potty. Come on. Come on, Marley. Go potty. Okay. Here we go.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Isn't that a nice greeting? Oh, these puppies. There's a dominant puppy too. I'm not sure which one it is, but oh, does it bark?
Hi, babies.
Hey, cuties.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, sharp little talons. Yes, you're so beautiful.